You type a single question into ChatGPT or Claude and hit send. It feels instant. It feels simple. What's actually happening behind that is one of the most expensive computational operations in the history of consumer technology. Here's the full breakdown. The moment you hit send, your message gets tokenized, broken into chunks of text that the model can process. Those tokens get sent over the internet to a data center, not a regular server, a purpose-built AI inference cluster packed with Nvidia H100 GPUs, each one costing around $30,000. A single query might touch 8 to 16 of these GPUs simultaneously. Why so many? Because the model itself is massive. GPT-4 is estimated to have around 1 trillion parameters. Claude 3 is in a similar range. These parameters are the learned weights of the model. Billions of numbers that needs to be loaded into GPU memory and used to process every single token in your prompt. You can't fit that on one chip. So the workload gets split across multiple GPUs in parallel, all communicating over high-speed interconnects like NVLink at hundreds of gigabytes per second. Then the actual inference happens. The model runs a forward pass, meaning your tokens flow through layer after layer of transformer blocks, each one applying matrix multiplications across billions of parameters to predict the next token. This happens for every single token in the response, one at a time, sequentially. A 500-word answer might be 650 tokens. That's 650 separate forward passes through a trillion parameter model. And this is happening for millions of users simultaneously. Now layer on top of that the data center costs. The power consumption of an H100 cluster running at full load is enormous. We're talking megawatts per facility. Then cooling infrastructure to stop it from melting. Then redundant networking, storage, security, and a global CDN to get responses back to you with no latency, no matter where you are in the world. OpenAI is estimated to spend over $700,000 a day just on inference costs. Anthropic, Google, Meta, all in the same territory. This is exactly why Nvidia became a $3 trillion company almost overnight. Every AI lab in the world is in a hardware race. And Nvidia makes the only chips that can run these models efficiently at scale. H100s are sold out months in advance. Countries are stockpiling them. That's not hype, that's the physical infrastructure reality of the technology. So when you pay $20 a month for Claude Pro or ChatGPT Plus, you're not paying for the software. You're paying for a fraction of a data center that costs hundreds of millions of dollars to build and millions of dollars a day to run. Just to answer your questions, one message, trillions of parameters, thousands of dollars of hardware, delivered in seconds. That's why this industry is growing so fast and why the infrastructure bill is only going up. Hi everyone, I'm Jasdeep and I break down complex AI concepts like this. Follow for more.